This is Inconsistency.
This is our marble sorter, which we hilariously named Inconsistency because it works sometimes and really doesn't all the time. But, so our friend here will actually show you around what is the marble sorter, how it works.
Alright, so this is the hopper. All the marbles are dropped into this, and there's a wall which they will stop so they don't fly through the whole thing with huge velocity. They will roll down in here, and this motor will move back and one at a time push the marbles through, which will then travel through here, and the small marbles will fall into the path below, and the bigger ones will travel on top, which will then go over here. And this is a weight sensor, whatever you want to call it. The heavy metal marbles will push this down and go into this bin right here. The wooden marbles will roll across the top, travel down here, and go in that bin right there.
Okay, then for the small marbles, they drop in here when they're rolling, and hit there, go down the track into this light box where there's a photoresistor and a light, and both the yellow and the clear marbles have different values, and this store stops them so it can measure it. So if it's yellow, it'll roll into this bin, and if it's clear, the motor will sense it, and it'll roll over here, and it'll fall back.
Okay, so now to show you the actual program of it, which is this. First, this is for the one thing at a time, which remember was directly from the hopper. This sends one marble at a time. So essentially, when the program starts, we'll have it wait a little bit because it actually takes some time for the marbles to get there before it starts. So we'll send the motor back, wait until the switch is hit, which is over there. We'll stop the motor, and then send it back forward. So it's kind of like going back and forth motion, like that. Yeah, like that. Next over here is we have the sensor for light. So we turn on the light, and then we censor the values, and depending on the values, we either open up the bin door and set it to the clear or the yellow bin, and then open up the actual door to let it go into the bin. And then finally over here is our time counter, because we have to get it done within 2 minutes. So we have it so that the program will stop as a stop function as soon as it reaches 2 minutes. That's the program.